In this video, I'll show you how to create a Grok AI account in 2026. Grok AI is an AI assistant that can help you with writing, coding, research, brainstorming, answering questions, and many other tasks. First, open your web browser on your PC or laptop and go to the official Grok website. Make sure you are using the genuine Grok service before entering any account information. Once the website opens, look for the Sign Up or Account Creation option. Select it to begin creating your Grok account. Depending on the current sign-up process, you may be asked to continue with an available account provider or enter the required account information. Follow the on-screen instructions and provide the information requested during registration. Make sure the details you enter are correct. If Grok asks you to verify your account, complete the verification steps shown on the screen. This may include confirming an email address or completing another available verification method. After completing the registration process, return to Grok and sign in with your newly created account if necessary. Once you're logged in, you should be able to access the Grok chat interface and explore the features available to your account. Before using Grok, take a moment to explore the interface. You can start a conversation, enter prompts, ask questions, and try different AI features depending on what is currently available. Keep in mind that Grok's sign-up options, interface, and available features can change over time, so the exact steps may look slightly different in 2026. And that's how you can create a Grok AI account in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel,